everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Kenny and thank you for tuning into my channel today. I haven't posted in forever, but we are here today and I'm going to be doing a quick kind of unboxing and styling of this wig that I got from CELIE hair. I bought from CELIE hair. So the wig I got from them is this 5x5 body wave frontal, 180% density, pre-plucked, 12-inch and 5x5 lace in the front. And it took only about 5 days for it to arrive. I ordered around about, well, during Black Friday sale is when I got mine, and it came in, you know, it was packed in this and came with some goodies as well. It's pre-curled, it's got the lace in the front, only smells slightly fishy, but this is what it looks like. That's the natural color and it feels quite soft right now. And then in the goodie bag, the goodie bag comes, and that is a wig grip, and it's got a wig cap. There's some safety pins in there, bobby pins, not safety pins, hair pins. Oh, and some clips as well, and what looks like an elastic. Is it this as well? I think this is for tying down the hair, tying down the edges. That's the easy part done. Right, so now I'm going to attempt to lay this, and so I will be back. I don't think I've ever done one of these, but here is the wig. It's got the combs in there and this band that's attached to it. So now the reason I'm kind of doing this video is really just for people who, like me, like to see other people's videos of where they're about to order from, and I really usually appreciate such videos. So I thought I'm gonna do mine and see if it's as easy or, you know, straightforward for a beginner, because I'm kind of a beginner with lace fronts. I typically will buy them and just not wear them, but this one has the elastic band which is supposed to help make the wig glueless. So if it's firm enough, then it should be good. I'm styling my own hair today, so I've got to be professional about it. Okay, so I have my hair all braided out. I'm gonna scoot back. So really just from placing it on, it seems like the wig is, even the wig is too small, my head's too big for the wig. But I'm gonna have to just shift everything forward. I've tried it once before and my hair wasn't braided down, literally just sat on top of my head. I braided down my hair and it's still too small. It fits kind of firm, almost too tight. Oh, first of all, I don't want to wear a wig cap because wig caps give me headaches. Ouch. So I know they do protect your hair. I'm gonna undo, I don't know if this is gonna make a difference, these clasps. See if it loosens the wig a little bit. I'm not sure if you're supposed to undo it. It feels a little bit better. Still small, but in the back, I'm gonna just let the band do the work. This band there, and then I'm gonna shift the wig forward. The first thing that I want to do is get rid of this lace so I can see what I'm actually working with. But okay, maybe I should come in. I don't know how to do this. So maybe yeah, first look. So this is pre-plucked, and that means that, you know, the area around the lace or wherever the lace is has been, it's been thinned out. Yes, it's been thinned out so that the hairline isn't so thick and dense, so that it's a little bit more natural and there's a little bit more gradient. So if that was my skin, you know, there's a little bit, that's what it looks like basically. Yep. So I'm gonna cut it and then try to lay it. I'm gonna just wet it a little bit. This is only the first step and it's so difficult. What do we do about this extracurricular lace that's popping out now? Sure we don't want to come out here. Okay, so now I can see what I'm working with. Like, it's very soft and it has laid flat, quite flat actually, and I think it's like wear and go actually, but I'm not going to wear it in this style, so I'm going to try and style it now. Look at me now. Look at me now. Okay, so I'm just trying to figure out everything as I go. Basically, I pulled out the baby hairs that I'm going to be using, just like the tiniest bit. I didn't cut it just yet, but I wanted to lay everything down. I wasn't even using a hairdryer, so that hairband thing that ties down the hair, that's pretty much what I was relying on to lay the hair and kind of get it to dry, as I was using the Got To Be spray to, you know, as my temporary adhesive. And again, not liking that lace that's peeking out on the edges. I will go in later and just try to really cut it. Anyway, so I cut the baby hairs and just using my trusty mousse to swoop those edges to the side. That's really all I need to do. I don't need to do too much at this point. I'm not going to be keeping their hair in for like days and days. I'm going to get such a headache and such irritation. So yeah, I'm just going in and curling it and trying to, you know, style the hair. I actually do have a hot comb somewhere in the post on the way. It's on the way. So you're just trying to comb the hair and smooth things out, and this lace is stressing me out because just those edges. But of course, bring on the powder, and that actually really helps to conceal things much more, because I could see the lace, but the powder just kind of toned down the shine, toned down all those white edges. And yeah, I think that's really what made it work for me, using the powder to get things right. I think I will go back in and make the parts even longer if I can, so that it's a little less wiggy. But I like the hair, it's really soft, it's really nice. I didn't comb it all out properly, but I will do it, you know, one step at a time. And that is it. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments area down below in the comments area. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for videos kind of like this. And I'll talk to you guys again in my next one. Bye.